Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check TPM and firmware in UEFI and make sure you're an administrator. Once done, locate the recovery key, USB, printed copy, or Microsoft/Azure AD account because you'll need it to unlock. If the key isn't available, do not reboot repeatedly. Gather system info like OS build and device name. Now open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. This is where you'll run the first diagnostic commands to communicate with the TPM and query BitLocker status. You proceed to examine and attempt recovery. Run Manage BDE status C to see protector types and encryption percentage. If the volume is locked, use Manage BDE unlock C, recovery password key to unlock it. This is straightforward when you have the key. Once unlocked, you may decrypt or add a new protector with Manage BDE Protectors Add. If the metadata is corrupt, use Repair BDE specifying source, target, and the recovery password. This reconstructs data sector mapping. Do this to avoid full reformat when possible. You wrap up by suspending BitLocker if you must update firmware or swap hardware. Run Manage BDE Protectors Disable C, so the system boots normally. Once changes are complete, re-enable protection and run chkdsk/f to correct file system errors that can block BitLocker. Verify the drive mounts and files are intact, then re-encrypt if needed. If problems persist despite recovery attempts and repair BDE, the key troubleshooting tip is to restore files from a verified backup and reimage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.